Yes, and Jelani Asar here with Income Protection Atlanta. First things first, go to incomeprotectionatlanta.com. Right now, just open up a new tab or a new browser in Firefox or whatever your browser may be. Go to incomeprotectionatlanta.com and join our email list so you can receive your free report entitled Protect My Income in Atlanta, only for you if you desire more financial security in this volatile and chaotic economy. And now let's get to our interview with another mesmerizing Atlanta business owner.
But yeah, it was just tremendous.
Huh. So the out of crisis comes opportunity.
Absolutely.
Mm. And then where do you see the U.S. economy going, and what are your opinions on what's going on with the economy, especially as it pertains to the need for accounting services and proper financial management?
Well, I think, clearly, the tax code is going to get even more complex. One of the points that we make in our presentations is the fact that there are budget shortfalls at the local, state, and federal level, due to the economy and a whole host of reasons that would be a whole other show for you. But we have a president who's committed to no new direct taxes on individuals making below $200,000 and families below $250,000. So clearly the tax code's going to have to be mined or modified to generate additional revenue. And when you consider the tax code is 77,000 pages long,
Jesus.
And that there have been major revisions to the U.S. tax code in 44 of the last 47 years,
Wow.
we believe that a CPA should be doing everyone's tax return, and that clearly, seasonal employees going through a brief training class are just not equipped to provide the high-quality tax preparation and advice that, an individual making more than $40,000 a year or a couple making less than $120,000 a year needs. And that's,
right.
Our target market, and that's the need we're filling. And by, developing a network of credentialed, high-quality CPAs and driving volume to them, we're able to bring the price point down so that it can be affordable. And you throw in the fact that it's paid for through payroll deductions spread out through 12 months. It just is a very attractive benefit for employees, and employers love offering it.
And then, what could be some of the problems that could result as from not getting this type of service? Well, firstly, the question is, are people getting this need taken care of now? If so, who are they? And then, for those who have the opportunity to take advantage of this, and say for whatever reason they do not take advantage of it, what are they risking?
Well, if you look at IRS.gov statistics, 60% of all tax filers in 2009 used a tax preparer. That doesn't count TurboTax or any of the other software packages. Of that 60%, 28% used H&R Block and 12% used Jackson Hewitt. So 40% of the 60, or 25% of all tax filers in 2009 used those two, what I call big box firms that offer, again, seasonal labor, no ongoing relationship component, and certainly not the high-quality CPAs that Capella can offer.
Right.
So, therein lies, where our target market are currently, having their tax returns prepared. The other thing I'll mention is, according to freemoneyfinance.com, the average American misses $400 in tax deductions and savings opportunities on their tax return. So, again, coming back to the fact that the tax code is 77,000 pages long, there can't help but be, that type of error rate because of not everyone's having a CPA do their tax return.
Right. They're not having someone who is an expert.
Exactly. And, our program, for $6 a week, the employee chooses a CPA from our directory, and we build our networks so that every employee has two CPAs to choose from within a 10-mile radius of their home zip code. So they get tax preparation, and we're trying to foster local relationships. But more importantly, the employee also gets 90 minutes of advice in addition to the tax preparation. And one of the things we're having our CPAs do is promote the employer's flexible spending accounts, health savings accounts, and retirement benefits. These are 3 benefits that employers spend a significant amount of time and resources educating and promoting to try and drive up enrollment. You know, flexible spending accounts offer the ability to pay for things you would ordinarily pay for on post-tax dollars with pre-tax dollars.
Right.
And the employer saves the matching FICA.
Right.
On those. So if we can drive participation up, we become a voluntary benefit that actually helps, you know, save a couple nickels and dimes for the employer.
Right.
On the retirement side, it's amazing how many people leave 401k or 403b matches on the table. So what we're trying to do is have our CPAs promote those benefits, and we give them various tools within our web software and things like that to do that. But that's how we're really, you know, benefiting the employees and the employer with this product.
So you were saying promoting retirement benefits, the flexible spending accounts, flex accounts, and then what was the third that you mentioned?
Health savings accounts.
And wonderful. And join us for our next part of another fantastic interview with our great guest, with another amazing Atlanta business owner. In the next video.